Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic Lily and Tom. At a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. Once upon a time, in a small cozy village nestled among rolling hills, lived two tiny mice named Lily and Tom. They were best friends and loved to explore the world around them. Their favorite place to play was the old abandoned windmill at the edge of the village. With its creaky wooden beams and dusty cobwebs, it was a perfect playground for their imaginations. One sunny morning, as they were scampering up the windmill's spiral staircase, Lily noticed something shiny glinting in a crack in the wall. She poked her nose in and peered inside. "Tom, come see this," she called. Tom hurried over and looked into the crack. There, nestled in a bed of soft, fluffy feathers, was a tiny, sparkling gem. It was so beautiful that Lily and Tom couldn't believe their eyes. "We should take it to the mayor," Tom suggested. "He might know what to do with it." So, Lily and Tom carefully removed the gem from the crack and set off for the mayor's house. The mayor was a kind old man with a long white beard. When he saw the gem, his eyes widened in surprise. "This is a very special gem," he said. "It's called a moonstone, and it's said to bring good luck to the village." The mayor thanked Lily and Tom for finding the moonstone and promised to take good care of it. He decided to place the gem in a special glass case in the village square where everyone could see it. From that day on, the village seemed to be filled with a sense of peace and prosperity. The crops grew taller, the animals were healthier, and the people were happier. Everyone believed that it was all thanks to the moonstone. Lily and Tom were very proud of themselves for finding such a valuable treasure. They continued to explore the windmill and the surrounding countryside, always on the lookout for new adventures. And whenever they felt sad or lonely, they would remember the moonstone and the joy it had brought to their village. One day, while they were exploring a nearby forest, Lily and Tom stumbled upon a strange, glowing object hidden beneath a pile of leaves. As they carefully uncovered it, they realized it was another gem, even more beautiful than the moonstone. Lily and Tom knew they had to show this new gem to the mayor. They hurried back to the village and presented it to him. The mayor was even more amazed than before. "This is an emerald, a stone of wisdom and foresight," he said. "It will be a great treasure for our village." The mayor decided to place the emerald in a special case next to the moonstone, creating a beautiful and magical display in the village square. From that day on, the people of the village felt even more connected to the natural world and the mysteries of the universe. Lily and Tom continued their adventures, exploring the countryside and discovering new wonders every day. They became known throughout the land as the brave little mice who brought good fortune to their village. And Whenever they looked at the moonstone and the emerald, they were filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment.